branch you're a member of? Are you from?
I'm from Davao City.
You are from Davao City. Wow, when did you get to Manila? Ay, kanina lang pa. Fresh na fresh from the airport. Kamusta naman ang biyahe?
Ang tagal pa rin.
Matagal pa rin. But you are worth our wait because we've been wanting to meet you. Where were you or were you watching? Kasi I knew that they were streaming the event last January 20. Were you watching? Were you aware of the raffle happening that day?
I'm aware, ma'am, of the raffle, pero po, I'm not watching. Kasi nasa isip ko, ma'am, sa raffle kasi, ma'am, never ako nanalo. Kaya po, nung nakita ko yung text message included on parang sa major prize or something like that, yes. Hindi ko siya pinansin.
Alright. So, tama ba to na chismisan ko that did you really only have one raffle coupon?
Yes, ma'am. Isa lang po talaga kasi actually, ma'am, nung day na nag-grocery, gusto ko na siyang umuwi dahil ang traffic sa Davao nung ikot ka ng ikot doon ng party. So sabi ko, uwi na tayo kasi parang next time na lang. Tapos then yung party insisted of, hindi na, nandito din. So 3 beses kami kumikot just to get a parking. Yes, ma'am.
So, kumbaga, your fate would have changed so much kung kunwari, sinabi ng partner mo, hindi, Delinda, sabi ko, hindi, gutom na ako, umuwi na tayo, di ba? Huwag na tayo mag-shopping, bukas na tayo babalik. But that day you went and you had that one raffle coupon. After you checked out, kinuha mo na ba agad yung raffle coupon mo?
No, ma'am, kasi I'm not aware of the raffle.
Okay.
I'm not aware. I saw people na nakapila. And then, I asked dun sa parang store.
Yes.
Ano ginagawa nila? Sabi ko, ma'am, may paraffle po. Ganun lang. Tapos ko, pwede ba to? Kasi the amount of my groceries is 6,000 pesos.
Yes.
Then, sabi sa akin, yes, ma'am, pwede yan. Sabi ko, sige, pila ako. Tapos nung nandun na kami, ma'am, sa parang machine, ganun.
Yes.
Ma'am, always siya yung, alam mo yung ayaw niya mag-proceed.
Okay.
Napaprostrate ako, nainis ako, tagal-tagal ako tayo. Tapos nung ako na, yung isang pindot ka lang po, lumabas yung
wow!
Tapos sabi ko, isa lang pala talaga, sabi ko.
Oh my God! One raffle! Just imagine how that makes me or my neighbors feel, because we're always here at Landers and we've got, I don't know, hundreds maybe of raffle coupons. And apparently, really, it only takes one. And it took your one.
It is for you.
It is for you. It is for you. So, paano nakarating sa'yo yung balita?
Tinawagan ako ng scammer, si Miss Kat.
Nakakatakot yan. Di ba kasi you're not sure if did you really win? Of course, we're always being educated about, be wary about the people who call you. Okay, ano sabi ni Miss Kat?
In-explain niya sa akin, sinabihan niya po na I want that. Kasi sagot ko, scammer ka, ma'am. Papunta po ako ng Landers ngayon. Sa Davao. Papunta po talaga ako kasi we will have pizza. Ayun ang hindi ng anak ko that day. I don't know also that day. He asked for it. Sabi niya, ma'am, mami gusto ko pizza. Sabi ko, saan? Sabi niya, sa Landers. Okay, sige. Tapos pumunta kami. Tapos nung tumatawag siya, she's calling. Tapos hindi ko siya pinansin nung tawag siya. Sinagot ko na. Sabi niya, yun, iwan niya. Sabi ko, scammer kami, papunta ako ng Landers ngayon. Susubong kita, sasabihin ko nang i-scam ka. Anong pangalan mo? So, kinuha ko yung name niya. Sinabi ko talaga dun sa counter. Pero yun nasa counter, ma'am, ang saya na nila, nakita nila ako. Sabi ko, ba't masaya kayo?
Because kilala ka na nila kasi madalas kang nandun.
They know na, ma'am, na ako yung winner. Alam nila. Ako hindi ko po alam.
Nasa si Miss Kathy. Nag-meet naman na kayo. Nag-meet na kayo. Today. Nag-meet kayo today. Totoo po siyang tao, hindi siya scammer. But, oh my God, what an experience that was. What a story to tell. I mean, honestly, kahit pa ulit-ulitin mo siya with your friends, with your family, pag nagkaapo ka ng mga ganyan, it's so fantastic. So, syempre, ano naman yung naramdaman mo nung na-confirm mo na ikaw na talaga?
Actually, ma'am, sa letter ako mas yun yung, doon ako umiyak, ma'am. Sa letter na ako naiyak. Sabi ko, totoo to. Kasi ma'am, alam ko, nung gabi din noon na, sabi ko, mag-coffee tayo. So, tinanong nila ako, bakit mo gusto magkape? Kasi ayoko matulog. Bakit? Kasi pag natulog ako, pag gising ko, baka panaginip lahat. Actually, that's true. Kasi nga, ma'am, hindi ko siya in-expect. Hindi ako sa tagal kong sumasali sa raffle. Never ako never nangyari.
Oh my God, I'm so happy for you. Kaya syempre may inggit factor din ako. Pero wow, what a story. It was really meant for you. You were so blessed, you and your family. Kaya congratulations sa iyo, Miss Joy. I'm happy to meet you, that you were flown to here all the way from Davao so that we can share this moment with you. Yay! Yay! Anything you'd like to say to our friends from Landers?
I am very grateful with Landers. Sobrang tinupad niyo yung pangarap ko na magkaroon ng sarili sa sasakyan. Kumbaga sa age ko, di ba, sabi nila, iba na ang cravings mo, gusto mo mag-travel. Pero lagi ko inisip, ano yung para sa pamilya ko? And I always pray to God na, Lord, I'm always praying, and lagi ko inisip, Lord, God will answer with yes, no, and wait for your time. So the proper timing is here, kaya siya nangyari para sa akin. Always be grateful, always have a kind heart. Yan yung lagi kong sinasaulo sa sarili ko. Focus on your goals, always be grateful. Kaya Landers, thank you. Hindi ko alam paano po sasabihin yung beyond words of gratefulness. Hindi ko siya ma-explain.
I'm so glad that actually you do have a way with words, and I think you were very eloquent na nasabi mo at na-feel namin yung pagpapasalamat mo, and blessings back to you. Eto na, mamimit mo na yung mga friends natin from Landers, and they're of course also so happy to be handing over this beautiful car to you, starting with our Landers Chief Transformation Officer, Mr. Bill Cummings is here. I think he's also so excited to meet you, Joy.
I was about to cry. I was tearing up. That was beautiful. We're so happy for you.
Thank you, sir. I'm so grateful, sir. I don't know how to explain. I'm so happy. This is for my family.
It means a lot to us, and we're so happy that we were able to recognize you today and that you were able to come all the way from Davao. So please, our heart goes out to you, so thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Bill. Thank you. And of course, we'll be joined here in front by Kia Philippines Assistant Brand Marketing Manager, Ms. Marikit Ligaya Bati. Hi, Marikit. Binibining Marikit is here. Also, the brand marketing manager, Miss Celine Acasio. She is a fleet and special sales manager. Hi, Miss Celine, from Kia Philippines, of course. Hi, ladies. Can you tell us a little bit about this car?
Actually, this is the...
I'm sorry, go ahead, sorry.
This is the top-of-the-line Kia Sonet. So we're actually so grateful that it's Miss Joy who actually won the vehicle. So we welcome you to an inspiring ride with Kia. So hopefully you'll enjoy the ride of the Kia Sonet.
Thank you so much to you guys at Kia. All right, okay. So how do we do this? Here we go. Oh, okay, of course we'll need to hand over those keys. To you, Miss Joy, let me take this mic for you. Yan, to you, Miss Joy. Congratulations. Baka may mga words ka gusto sabihin kay Miss Joy as you hand over your keys.
The keys. First of all, congratulations, and we're very touched with the story that you had, and we really hope that you enjoyed the car.
Congratulations! Kaya palakpakan naman po para kay Miss Joy, and of course, a photo op with our friends from Kia, and of course, Mr. Bill Cummings from Landers Superstore Philippines.
1, 2, 3.
Ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. The winner of our Kia Sonet, Miss Joy Felicitas Alzaten, all the way from Davao. One of our grand winners for the 8th anniversary of the Shop and Win raffle promo of Landers Superstore. What an incredible story of always dreaming, always hoping, always being good, and someday getting your blessings. One raffle ticket won her the Kia Sonet. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Joy Felicitas Alzate. We're gonna need more photos of Miss Joy, of course. And her that Kia Sonet. Yung, yan. Woohoo! There she is. Joy is gonna get so used to this when she goes back to Davao with her Kia Sonet. Of course, with her family riding with her. What a great color as well. As a lot of us believe, red is such a lucky color. And when you're talking about luck, this lady has it all. One raffle entry that won her a Kia Sonet.